What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Acne scars on your face can be very rough, and it can take a long time to finally get rid of them, especially if you don't know how to treat them the right way. But with today's video I will help you to finally get rid of acne scars and dark spots on your face the fastest way possible, simply because you deserve to look and feel your best. But before we start with today's video, take a quick second guys and smash a like and subscribe button down below so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, before I talk too much, let's hop into the video. Our skin renews itself every 30 to 60 days, which simply means we get a complete new layer of skin every 30 to 60 days. And in comparison with that, when you have acne scarring, it basically represents a level of damage to your skin which is so deep that your skin basically holds onto it quite like a reminder. So before we start with the treatments that you can use in order to cure your acne scars, let's talk first of all about the two different types of acne scars. So type number one, physical scarring. You can basically feel the scars on your face. It feels and looks like small holes on your skin layer. And type number two is pigment scarring. This is basically the case when you see dark spots and areas on your face which were caused by your acne. So if you deal with one of those two types of scarrings or even dark spots from your pimples, then definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. Alright, let's start with the first method, which is also a prevention of getting any skin issue or making your skin and acne scars even worse, which is always use the sun protection. If you want to get rid of your acne scarrings and also to prevent any other skin issue or breakouts, you need to protect your skin from the sun. Simply use a cream that contains the SPF factor every single day. Trust me, it is so important, especially when you live in a country where the sun is often shining. Sun exposure is literally responsible for the majority of all the skin issues that we deal with over time. And especially if you deal with acne or acne scarrings, you need to protect yourself against the sun. Otherwise your acne or acne scars will even get worse. So always keep that in mind every single day, and I promise you, your skin will get better. Let's continue with number two, exfoliating your skin. As I already told you, your skin renews itself every 30 to 60 days. That's why it is so important to regularly exfoliate your skin, simply to get rid of all the old skin cells and make space for new ones. It also supports your face to create new skin cells and even fasten the process. For exfoliating your skin, you need to make sure to either use a high quality product, preferable one that is only or mostly made out of natural ingredients, or simply mix your own peeling. Both ways can work perfectly. It will help you to get rid of acne scars and dark spots on your face the fastest way possible. I would personally recommend it to do it once or twice per week, but not more than that. Otherwise it will harm your skin in the long term. Let's continue with number three, use a cream or serum which contains retinol. Retinol is a very powerful ingredient. It is simply able to reverse damage to your skin. In comparison to that, most other ingredients that you find in your skincare are mostly preventative. So retinol can actually help you to get rid of acne scars, dark spots and even pimples as well. And if you buy yourself a retinol serum, I would recommend to use it once per day before you go to bed, and also try to be consistent with it. Number four, let's talk about how you can especially get rid of dark spots on your face. One powerful ingredient that you should look for is vitamin C. Vitamin C is an incredible ingredient to brighten certain areas of your face, especially if you want to get rid of dark spots or dark circles under your eyes. Another great thing about vitamin C is that it has also an anti-aging effect, so you can basically also use it to prevent your skin from aging and getting wrinkles as well. In terms of a product, I would totally recommend to go with a vitamin C serum. And of course I will link you some of my favorite products in the description below so you can directly check them out. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are my methods that you can use in order to get rid of acne scars or dark spots on your face. Hopefully I could help you out with this video. Also guys, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you in the next video.